do my best to try to watch Spanazzi.
Okay, yeah, I'll watch this too either way.
Okay. There we go. Hold your breath. Oh, here we go. Good launch. Spanazzi in the back, so you can watch everybody from his one feed. Good video. Kino's video is breaking up a little bit there, but he's okay. Oh!
My God. Just crashed
He just crashed right in the back of Danny.
And Spanazzi takes the lead.
Yeah. Spanazzi with a little bit of a lead. Uh-oh. Spanazzi with a solid lead. Where are you guys at in Brazil? You should be cheering. If you're at home watching this, you should be standing up right now and screaming to the top of your lungs. Kino's back up in the air, but he's got a long way to go to catch up. That doesn't mean he can't. Here comes Spanazzi onto his last lap. Kino's coming. He's got a long way to go. This is pretty much Spanazzi's race. I hope he's got a spotter telling him what's going on, because he doesn't have to push that hard. Kino is gaining, but it's not going to be enough. There we go. Spanazzi is going to be your winner after the first one. All right, there goes Kino. He wasn't far off.
We're waiting for the other one. We're waiting for the other one. 1 sec.
Yep. We're waiting for Big Raymond. Okay. So first, Spanazzi. Kino in second, Big Raymond in third, Danny FPV is in fourth. So those other positions do matter, even though we're playing Chase the Ace, right? The idea is you've got to win 2 first place finishes to win this whole thing. So Spanazzi's in a good position now. He only needs 1 more. He really can afford to just send it at this point. You know, he could try to set a lap record if he wants to. All right, we're queuing up. We're queuing up. What's going on over here? Everything good? So this is Chase the Ace. In the top right is Spanazzi. He's the only one with an ace right now.
I'm here and a little bit here.
Good?
Yes.
There we go. Good launch from everybody. Nice and clean. We've got a good race here. Oh, Danny FPV with a little bit of a mistake there. Wow, we have got all 3 quads making it to the middle gate. I can't even tell at this point. It looks like Kino is your leader after 1. Big Raymond is down, but can he get back up? Kino, he wants it, but Spanazzi is on him. They are trading positions right now. Oh my goodness, this is race top 2 positions where you want to watch. These guys are battling out hard for that position. It looks like I'm going to have to let the timer decide. Kino is your leader. 1 lap to go. They are separated by no time at all. 0.077 seconds. This may be a finish de photo. Did I get that right?
Yes.
And it's Kino.
Oh my God!
I can't believe the computer
Wait, we still have
stalled
2 more,
right there.
Okay.
That was so close.
Wow. Talk about good racing.
Is that Big Raymond?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, guys. That was good.
Woo!
Wow, that battle between Kino and Spanazzi was really
Oh my God, that was
All right,
so
so are we
good.
doing it on place or are we only doing it on the ace?
Jimmy?
Never be a more important moment in your life. When you're old and you're laying in your deathbed, you'll wish you won this race if you did.
Armen sus quads. There we go.
Okay, let's go.
Chicos, venga.
Here we go, guys. Whoa. Spanazzi again with the slowest launch. I've been watching his video feed because you get a good view of everybody, and it's really nice race. Oh, Danny is the first one down. So, this could be anyone's race. It's a Kino and Spanazzi show right now, side by side through the gate. Spanazzi is in space. He is out of bounds. He is out of bounds. Kino.
He is out of bounds.
Kino
He can't take off.
Yeah.
Ooh, Kino just crashed. We still have
Kino
Danny
was
and Big.
down. Kino was down. Kino is still there. It's still Kino's race. But Raymond is right there with him. Raymond,
Oh my
he's
God,
the
oh my
hometown
God,
favorite.
oh my
He's got
God.
him in his sights. It could
Oh
be,
my
but
God.
Kino is pulling away. This is it. To the finish line.
Oh
no!
my God! ahí. Wow. Oh, man.
So much excitement.
Sorry for yelling in the microphone, guys.
Woo! Oh my God! No viste cómo es.
Hey, we don't have the positions.
Nos hace falta las posiciones.
Okay, good. Whoa, there we go. All right, guys, this is it. Oh, Danny FPV, low battery. I haven't seen that in his OSD before. Danny FPV going down. At least he was trying to send it. It looks like Kino is our leader with Spanazzi right by him. Kino just ahead in the slalom section. He's on his way to the first lap. We got some weird reads right there.
I lost a video with Danny.
Yeah, we might have to do a video review because of the timer. We're good. Wow, it is like stereo vision. Spanazzi does not want to let Kino win this one. Oh, that was the announcer's jinx. I'm sorry, Kino. Oh, I'm sorry, Spanazzi. Oh, guess what? Big Raymond. This could be his race. Nope, Kino's back up. Kino's not going to let these guys have it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Keep going.
Wait. You still have people racing. Wait.
I think Big Raymond won it.
Yeah,
I think so.
I think. He bought all my money. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what an upset. Let's do it. We need to do a review just to make sure that we got all of our accounts right on
Let
there.
me tell them. Guys, we're gonna do a review.
Wow. So many upsets in that race. All right.